we are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this plant, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced plant names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is a type of coniferous trees. In English, this is generally said as Arborvitae, Arborvitae, although some do pronounce it also as Arborvitae or Arborvitae, but generally speaking, in English it is to be said as Arborvitae, unless you really want to sound really Latin, and you could also say it as Arborvitae, Arborvitae, but yeah, Arborvitae is your best bet to be correct in English, Arborvitae. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of plants and other names from Latin that many mispronounce. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.